Welcome, healing enthusiasts. Today I'm sharing some incredible testimonials from those who have experienced their first session of Unity Field healing. These stories are straight from the heart and might just inspire you on your own healing journey. 1. I felt an incredible wave of peace during my first Unity Field healing session. It was as if a hidden, calming energy was gently wrapping around me. I'm already noticing subtle shifts in my outlook, and I feel so much more connected to myself. I am truly grateful for this experience. 2. I've tried different forms of healing, but this was something entirely different. I felt a gentle yet powerful release, almost as if I was letting go of burdens I didn't even know I was carrying. I am beyond thankful for the clarity it's given me. During the session, I felt a warm, gentle energy moving through me. 1. It felt so comforting and safe. I woke up the next day with a lightness in my heart and a new sense of purpose. I'm so grateful for the transformation I feel beginning within me. 4. I came in unsure of what to expect, but left feeling a deep sense of peace and alignment. The session brought a clarity and grounding that I haven't felt in years. I can't wait to continue this journey. 5. The session was so profound it felt like coming home to myself. I'm in awe of how deeply this process resonates. I felt guided, supported, and so incredibly grateful for the experience. It's truly a gift to be part of this journey. 6. I can't put into words how much this session impacted me. It was like a veil was lifted, revealing a deep inner calm and understanding. I'm so grateful for the insights and for feeling more connected to my authentic self. Unity Field healing was unlike anything I've ever experienced. I felt an overwhelming warmth and presence that has stayed with me. I'm feeling lighter and more hopeful, and I'm beyond grateful for this journey of healing and discovery. 7. Session 1 left me feeling so peaceful and centered. It felt like a beautiful reset button for my soul. I am already noticing shifts in my daily life, and I feel so much more connected. I am truly grateful for this experience. 8. I felt a beautiful sense of calm and love wash over me during the session. It was as though a part of me had been waiting for this. I'm excited to see where this healing journey takes me, and I'm so thankful for the experience. 9. This session opened me up in ways I didn't expect. There was a sense of calm and warmth that felt so deeply healing. I left with a renewed sense of clarity and gratitude, knowing this journey has only just begun. Each of these testimonials highlights the transformative power of Unity Field healing. If you're seeking peace, clarity, and a deeper connection to your authentic self, consider embarking on this journey. Thank you for listening, and may your path be filled with light and healing. Learn more at www.unityfieldhealing.com.